Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter and exit a trade from MetaTrader 5 app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 5 app, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the MetaTrader 5 apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a trade option at the bottom of this dashboard, and you can also see there is a chart option, and you can also see there is a lots of symbol in this dashboard as well, so you can choose any of them because the process is going to be same. So let me tap on the EURUSD to show you a demo. Now you can see there is a trade and chart option in here as well, so you can choose any of them. So let me tap on the chart, and you can see there is a red and blue kind of icon at the top right corner of this chart, which is just right side of this clock icons on in the screen. So once you tap on that red and blue kind of icon, you can see there is a sell and buy just pops out, and you can see there is a deviation in this between sell and buy. So if you want to take a trade, then simply tap on the sell or buy. So let's say I want to sell it for now, so simply tap on the sell, and yeah, you will be able to take a trade, or you will be able to enter in a trade successfully. And if you want to exit, then so before that let's tap on the trade, which is at the bottom of this chart, and you will be able to see your position in here successfully. You can see there are two positions in here, EURUSD, and another one is also EURUSD. So let's say I want to get exit from the profit one. So what you need to do is you simply need to slide it to the left, and you can see there is a three dots over there. So once you tap on that three dots, you can see finally there is a close position at the top of this section. So let's tap on that, and finally confirm the close, which is at the bottom of this section, and yeah, you'll be able to close it or get exit from your trade successfully. So basically this is how you can enter and exit a trade from MetaTrader 5 app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.